exercise 8.2 area under the curve. So you have to find the area common between two curves. So let's start with the question number 1. Here you have to find the area of the circle. Here we have to find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square equal to 9, which is interior to the parabola, x square equal to 4y. So area of the circle which is interior to the parabola x square equal to 4y that you have to find. Done. So here equation of circle 4x square plus 4y square plus 9. So here we have to write this given equation in standard form. So taking 4 as a common. So we're getting x square plus y square equal to 9. Now take this 4 into division of this 9. Therefore, we are getting x square plus y square equal to 9 by 4. So this is the standard equation of circle x square plus y square equal to a square with center of circle is 0 0 and radius of circle is a square which is 3 by 2. Done. And our parabola is x square equal to 4y. So now first we will draw the diagram. So here we have to find the area of circle which is interior to the parabola. Now our parabola is x square equal to 4y. X square is there. That means for positive and negative values of x or y will be positive. For positive and negative value of x or y is positive. So this is x axis, this is y axis. So for positive and negative axis of positive and negative value of x or y will be positive. So our parabola will be in the shape of this. It will be upward parabola. X square equal to 4y. Done. And our circle with center 0 and radius 3 by 2. So here our circle with center at origin and radius 3 by 2. Done. So this is circle and the radius of circle is 3 by 2. So coordinates of this point are 3 by 2 0. This one is minus 3 by 2 0 and this is the intersection point of circle and parabola and we have to find the coordinates of that point A and B. Now here question is find the area of circle which is interior to the parabola. So which area of circle is there which is in the interior of parabola? So this area shaded by this green region, it is the required area. This is the area of circle in the interior of parabola. Done. So here you can see that this area is symmetrical about this y-axis. So to find this area, we will consider only this area and we will double this area. Now we will find area of this region only and we will double it. Done. So now to find this area, what we have to do? We have to find the area between two curves. First curve, this is y, and second curve, this one, y. This is the circle. So first you have to write the circle in terms of y, because here we are considering one vertical strip. So here our circle is x square plus y square equal to 9 by 4. So this circle in terms of y is, it's a x square plus y square equal to 9 by 4. So y square equal to 9 by 4 minus x square. So our y will be plus or minus square root of 9 by 4 minus x square. Done. Consider this one is our function f of x. This is our f of x and two values are there, plus or minus, but this part of the circle lies in the first quadrant, so we'll consider only positive value of x. So it's a positive value 9 by 4 minus x square. This is our f of x and this is our g of x and that is y. Another curve is x square equal to 4y. So this will be y equal to x square by 4. So this is our second curve, g of x equal to y, which is equal to x square by 4. Bolo. Clear? So area under this two curve is nothing but the difference of this curve f of x minus g of x. That is the formula. So बोलो. हाँ कोई बात नहीं भाई. So now required area. So before finding the required area, first we'll consider which is our area. So here we'll consider the vertical strip. So you have to find this area. So to find this area, we have to consider the integration up to this point. So for that, we require these coordinates of point B. So what is the point B? Point B is nothing but the intersection of this parabola and circle. So before finding the, to find the range of this integration, we have to find the intersection point of these two curves. That is the coordinates of this point B. So coordinate of point B is nothing but the intersection of these two curves. So first we'll find the intersection of these two curves. So now we will find the intersection of these two curves by using this formula, formula number 1 and formula number 2. Done. So here 4x square plus 4y is equal to 9. Replace this x square with this 4y. So we are getting 4 into x square equal to 4y. So 4 into 4y plus 4y square equal to 9. So this is equal to 16y plus 4y square minus 1 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic equation. 4y square plus 16y minus 1 equal to 0. ये 9 है. Done. So now splitting the middle term, 4 9s are 36. Factors of 36 whose subtraction is 18. So we are getting 4y square plus 18y minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. So taking 2y common. So it's a 2y plus 9 minus 1 common, 2y plus 9 equal to 0. So we are getting two values of y equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to minus 9 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to minus 9 by 2. Done? So for the first quadrant, we'll consider positive value of y. So for this y equal to 1 by 2, now we'll find the value of x. So what is x? X square is 4 into y and y is 1 by 2. So x square equal to 2 and therefore again we are getting x equal to plus or minus root 2. But for the first quadrant, we'll consider x equal to root 2. So we are getting two values, or we can say two coordinates of this point B. X coordinate is root 2 and y coordinate is 1 by 2. Root 2, 1 by 2. And also you can write the coordinates of this point A. So minus x and plus y. So it's a minus root 2 and y is 1 by 2. Done? ये इसके coordinate हो गए. So now here this is the origin. So it's a 0 0 and coordinates of this point is root 2 0. है ना, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो ये जो पॉइंट मिलेगा उसका कोऑर्डिनेट मिलेगा रूट 2 0. So this is root 2. So now we are getting the range of our integration, that is from 0 to root 2. है ना, you have to integrate this curve from x equal to 0 to x equal to root 2 and you have to find the area of region which is common between these two curves. So to find the area of region which is common between two curves, you have to consider the difference of integration of these two curves, f of x and g of x. Clear? So now this area is symmetrical about this y-axis. So we will find this only area and we will double it. So now our required area. So now required area is nothing but the twice of integration of 0 to root 2 f of x dx minus 0 to root 2 g of x dx. Done. So this is equal to twice of what is our f of x? F of x is the circle and g of x is our parabola. So our f of x is this one. So integration from 0 to root 2 square root of 9 by 4 minus x square dx minus 0 to root 2 g of x. G of x is this one, x square by 4. X square by 4 dx. Done. Integrate this, apply limits and simplified, you will get the answer. So this one 2 into now it's a square root of 9 by 4 minus x square. So 3 by 2 whole square minus x square. A square minus x square formula is there. So integration of this a square minus x square is x by 2. So it's a x by 2 into a square minus x square. So it's a 9 by 4 minus x square plus a square by 2. So it's a 9 by 4 by 2. So it's a 9 by 8 into sine inverse x by a. X and our a is 3 by 2. So reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2x by 3. Done. So this is the integration of this function and again applying the limits. Limits are from 0 to root 2 minus 1 by 4 constant and integration of x square is x cube by 3. X cube by 3 and again limits 0 to root 2 and complete this curly bracket. 2 into a sub. Now put the values of limit and simplify it. So this is equal to 2 into. Now first we have to put x equal to root 2. So for x equal to root 2, this will be root 2 by 2. So root 2 by 2 is 1 upon root 2. This one 9 by 4 minus x square is root 2 square, so it's a 2. So 9 by 4 minus 2. So 9 by 4 minus 2 is 9 minus 8 by 4. So it's a 1 by 4 and square root of 1 by 4 is 1 upon 2. Plus 9 by 8 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. Done. This is x equal to root 2 minus put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, 0 by 2, 0 into 0 sub 0. This will be 9 by 8 sine inverse 0. So वो भी 0 है ना, sub 0. So this one minus, now put x equal to root 2. So this bracket is 1 by 4 x cube, that is root 2 cube, root 2 by 3. Or here you have to put root 2 cube minus x equal to 0, it's a 0. So here now you have to simplify this. क्या होगा देखो, this is equal to 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2 into 2, so it's a 1 upon 2 root 2, 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 9 by 8 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3 minus, और ये क्या होगा root 2 cube is root 2 square into root 2 square is 2 root 2 by 4, so again 2 and 4 will be cut, so it's a root 2 upon 6, root 2 by 6. Complete this bracket. Now again ये ये 2 था multiplication में. Now multiply this 2 with all these three terms, so it will be 1 upon root 2 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 3. Done. So this is your final answer. और टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे जो आंसर दिया है वो आपको लाने के लिए ये दोनों को भी आगे सिंप्लीफाई करो, है ना, और जो एलसीएम लेके आंसर आएगा वो आपका आंसर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द एरिया which is common between given two curves. Done. इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट? रावल जी, how many students are there? रुचिराज, बोलो। नोट। नोट। कित हाँ हाँ, कितने बच्चे हैं? सॉरी, कितने बच्चे बचे हैं? ओके ओके, वेरी गुड। अभी भी हमारा एक विकेट कीपर कम हो रहा है ना? 11 नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं। 10, हाँ। फाइंड द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय, find the area bounded by the curves. Two curves are there. First curve is 1 minus x, x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1. And second curve is x square plus y square equal to 1. Two curves are there. So first you have to analyze the curve and you have to identify which equation is there. The equation of which curve is there. So here you can simply identify that this is the equation of two circles. This is the equation of two circles. First one is circle with center. First equation is equation of circle with center 1 0 and radius equal to 1. And second equation is also equation of circle with center as a origin and radius is equal to 1. Done. So two equations of two circles are there and you have to find the area bounded by these two curves. So let's try to draw the diagram. So two circles are there with radius 1, one circle with center as a origin and another circle with center as a 1 0. So first circle with center at origin. First circle, radius of this circle is 1. So coordinates of this point are 1 0. And if we have to draw another circle with center at a 1 0 and radius 1, so we are getting another circle like this. Done. So two circles are there and we have to find the area bounded by these two circles. That means this area. And these are the intersection point of these two curves. Suppose this is point A and this is point B. Two circles are there. Done. So here origin is 0 0. This is 1 0 and this will be 2 0. है ना? Circle with center with radius 1. तो ये यहाँ से 1 ये 2 0 होगा. So what is the area? Here again we can say that this area is symmetrical about this two or this symmetrical about this x-axis. So we'll try to find the area of this region only. है ना? This one. So for that we require the coordinates of this point A and point B, or only point A, that is intersection point of these two curves. So first we'll try to find the intersection point of these two curves from the equation of given two circles. So here x minus 1, these two circles are with a 1. So compare this circle. So comparing these two circles, x minus 1 whole square plus y square, whose value is 1. This circle is also having the same value 1. So we can compare the left hand side of these circles, which is x square plus y square. Now perform expansion of this one. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square equal to x square plus y square. So here x square cut, y square cut. So remaining terms are स्टूडेंट सब अपना वीडियो ऑन करो, सबका वीडियो ऑफ है ना? सब अपना वीडियो ऑन करो, अदरवाइज सबको मैं रिमूव कर दूंगा. ये दीपेन पटेल कौन है जिसका वीडियो बंद है? सर खुद ही अपना वीडियो बंद करके बैठे रहते हैं और ये सब आप करवाते हो. So 0 minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we're getting x equal to 1 by 2. So value of x is 1 by 2. So x coordinate of this point A is 1 by 2. Now we have to find the value of y. So put x equal to 1 by 2 in the equation. X square plus y square. So x square is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square plus y square equal to 1. So it's a 1 by 4 plus y square equal to 1. So y square equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So y equal to root 3 by 2, plus और माइनस आएगा, लेकिन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में हमें लेना है प्लस, तो इट्स रूट 3 by 2. डन. सो हियर यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करें तो यहाँ पर जो पॉइंट मिलेगा, सपोज ये पॉइंट इसको ओ ले लो, ये ए, ओ बी, ये सी. सो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट सी आर 1/2 0, 1/2 0 होगा. डन. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया अंडर दिस टू कर्व. फर्स्ट कर्व इज फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, देखो ग्रीन कलर से शेडेड करा हुआ ये रीजन. एंड सेकंड कर्व इज फ्रॉम 1/2 to 1, 1/2 to 1. Done. So area under these two curve, that will be the area of region OAC, and we have to double that area, so we'll get the area under these two circles. Clear? So required area that will be twice of area under this curve and area under this curve. तो दोनों को हम वर्टिकली स्ट्रिप ले रहे हैं तो y के फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना. इसको भी y और इसको भी y, दोनों को y के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. हाँ. सो एरिया अंडर दिस कर्व इज इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 1/2, है ना. फॉर f of x लिमिट्स फ्रॉम 0 to 1/2, ये देखो 1/2 है और यहाँ पर परपेंडिकुलर लिया तो ये 1/2 आएगा. सो इट्स 0 to 1/2. इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 1/2 f of x dx, है ना. फर्स्ट कर्व ये जो सेंटर विथ 1 है उसको हम f of x बोल रहे हैं. दिस इज अवर f of x एंड दिस इज अवर g of x. प्लस लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं माइनस ही लेना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि ये अंदर आएगा. सो माइनस एरिया अंडर दिस इज एरिया कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू कर्व. सो माइनस अगेन कौन सी लिमिट आएगी, 1/2 to 1, 1/2 to 1 g of x dx. Done. Now write this function in terms of y only. So here y square equal to है तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, तो this is equal to 2. 2 is for this symmetrical, है ना, symmetrical about the x axis. So 2 into integration 0 to 1/2. Now our f of x is y and y equal to 1 minus और स्क्वायर रूट में आएगा पूरा, तो इट्स अ स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस और ये x minus 1 होल स्क्वायर, x minus 1 होल स्क्वायर dx माइनस 1/2 to 1 g of x, दिस इज अवर g of x, और इसका y क्या होगा, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square dx. ब्रैकेट ओवर. डन. So now apply the formula of integration. So this is equal to 2. Again it's a square minus x square formula. So it's a x by 2. So x minus 1/2 into a square minus x square. So it's a 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus a square by 2. It's a 1/2 sin inverse x by a. So x minus 1/1, so it's x by 1. ये इंटीग्रेशन हो गया एंड लिमिट्स 0 to 1/2 माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस वन, है ना, 1 minus x square, 1 square minus x square. So it's x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square plus a square by 2, 1/2 sin inverse x limits 1/2 to 1 curly bracket over. Done. Put the value of x and simplify it. So this is equal to 2 into now put x equal to 1/2. So here if you are putting x equal to 1/2, so it's a 1/2 minus 1. 1/2 minus 1 is minus 1/2 and it's again 1/2, it's a minus 1/4. So this is equal to minus 1/4 into this one 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So here if you are putting x equal to 1/2, 1/2 minus 1, so it's a minus 1/2. Minus 1/2 square 1/4 and 1 minus 1/4 it's 1 minus 1/4, it's 3/4. and again square root. So it's a root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus. So it's a minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Done. ये x equal to 1 by 2 रखा ब्रैकेट माइनस. नाउ पुट x equal to 0. x equal to 0 पुट करेंगे. 0 है ना, माइनस 1 by 2 ये 0 हो जाएगा. माइनस 1 स्क्वायर ये 0 और यहाँ पर x equal to 0. इट्स अ 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1. It's a 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1. 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1. डन. इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो गया और ये उसके स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट आएगा, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट माइनस दूसरा स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट और उसके अंदर हियर पुट x इक्वल टू 1. सो इफ यू आर पुटिंग x इक्वल टू 1, 1 minus 1 0, ये 0 और ये 1 by 2 sin inverse x, 1 by 2 sin inverse x, x इक्वल टू 1 माइनस पुट x इक्वल टू 1 by 2. सो इट्स 1 by 4, 1 by 4 है ना. यहाँ पर कितना कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ करना पड़ेगा. सो 1 by 4 अगेन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 minus x square, 1 minus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 root 3 by 2. So it's a root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. डन. और ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ओपन और ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज एंड सिंप्लीफाई इट. So let's try it. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2. So it's a minus root 3 by 8, minus root 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So it's a minus pi by 6, minus pi by 6 minus 1 by 2 or sin inverse 1 minus pi by 2. So it's a minus pi by 2 है ना. ये कंप्लीट हुआ. माइनस माइनस अभी ये करना है. दिस विल बी 1 by 2 sin inverse 1, sin inverse 1 is pi by 2, so it's a pi by 4 minus root 3 by 8, root 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6, so pi by 6 into 1 by 2, so it's a pi by 12. डन. यहाँ तक मैं कर रहा हूँ, इसके आगे आपके ऊपर छोड़ रहा हूँ है ना. इसका ब्रैकेट ओपन करो, 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो, पाई वाली टर्म साथ में लिखो और ये जो कांस्टेंट वाली टर्म है वो साथ में लिखो. जो भी आएगा वो आपका आंसर. इट इज एरिया अंडर दिस 2 सर्कल्स. क्लियर हो जाएगा. Stavan कर से. हाँ Stavan solve this question and share this answer in our group. हो जाएगा ना. थर्ड क्वेश्चन डायग्राम हो जाएगा. थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी आपको सॉल्व करना है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Here you have to find the area of region bounded by the curves y equal to x square plus 2, line y equal to x, line x equal to 0 and line x equal to 3. 3 line and 1 parabola is there. You have to find the area enclosed by this all curves. Done है ना. ये कर्व देखो, ये पैराबोला y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 आया. इसको कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे. हियर दिस वन इज this is y equal to x square plus 2. So for positive negative value of x or y will be positive, but it's a x square plus 2. So here if we put x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 2. So parabola whose vertex will be lies somewhere over here. So this is the graph of the given parabola. Y equal to x square plus 2. Done. For x equal to 0 put karo. This is x equal to 0. For x equal to 0, y will be 2. तो पैराबोला का वर्टेक्स है वो यहाँ पर आएगा. Done. Now second line is y equal to x. So what is y equal to x? It's a line passing through the center of circle. Center of origin of our graph. So y equal to x with a slope 45 degree. So this is the graph of y equal to x line. Third line x equal to 0. Line perpendicular to x axis at x equal to 0. So that is our y axis. है ना, ये y axis हमारी line है. This is x equal to 0. This is y equal to x. And third line is x equal to 3. So this is our x equal to 3 line. Line perpendicular to x axis at x equal to 3. X equal to 3. So you have to find the area enclosed by all these four curves. So that area is nothing but this area. This one. You have to find the area of this region. Done. So to find the area of this region, we have to find the intersection point. This one. Or you can directly say, here this is our origin 0, 0. And this is x equal to 3. So this one is 3, 0. So what is the area under this curve? Area under this curve is, suppose this is our f of x and this is our g of x. F of x minus g of x, and limits from 0 to 3. Done? Is that clear? So required area is integration limits 0 to 3 f of x minus g of x dx. So both curves are in terms of y. So this is equal to integration 0 to 3 over f of x, that is y, x square plus 2. So it's an integration of x square plus 2 dx minus integration 0 to 3 g of x, y equal to f, y equal to x, it's x dx. Done? इंटीग्रेशन करो, लिमिट्स अप्लाई करो, सिंप्लीफाई करो, यू विल गेट द आंसर. टाइम है तो इसको कर देते हैं. चलो, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2, इट्स एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 प्लस 2x लिमिट्स 0 to 3 माइनस integration of x square by 2 limits 0 to 3. So here put x equal to 3, 27 by 3, 9 plus 6 minus x equal to 0, so it's a 0, minus put x equal to 3, 3 square 9 by 2 minus 0. Done? So it's a 9 plus 6, 15, 15 minus 9 by 2, 15 to the 30 minus 9, 21 by 2 square units. 21 by 2 square units is the area under this two curve. Clear? સુઈ જાય છે કોઈ આન્સર